The Crisis and Risk Management Summit was held at the Manshar Rotana Hotel in Fahahil with the aim of sharing expertise and knowledge in the fields of disaster and emergency response. Specialists from all over the world took part in the 4-day conference. Our correspondent Sarah Faris Globe was there with this report.
The Crisis and Risk Management Summit kicked off with the aim of exchanging knowledge and expertise on crisis management or emergency response in the oil and gas industry.
I think such summits, it's really important for the area to exchange experience and benefit from experts who are ahead of us in such business, which is emergency management and crisis management. And I believe, and I think Kuwaiti government are doing well in such business, and especially oil and gas. They're taking the best practices, using best technology, preparing their staff for any crisis in different levels, in different stages.
Attendees met experts who specialize in various fields, including emergency response and oil spill, mitigation, remediation and recovery, health, safety and environment, medical response and loss prevention, and finally planning and maintenance.
Well, I was trying to share with the world what we have experienced in Kuwait Oil Company and how we improved our system from existing systems that is available and nobody is looking at them. They're used entirely different purpose, but they can be used in emergencies. Also, our experience with the incident of the past that we came up with, and the decision making, the information transfer, all of these matters within an emergency or a crisis. And we wanted to share it with the world. How did we overcome over that? And we became leading company in disaster and emergency management systems.
During the conference, His Excellency Al-Mansoori, President of the International Council of the International Association of Emergency Managers, announced that Mr. Ali Hussein Assad, KOC Emergency Response Coordinator and Head of the Emergency Response Coordination Unit at KOC, will head Kuwait's division for the year 2013.
I think my experience is that I've been doing disaster response, emergency response for over 30 years. And to see what I'd like to get accomplished here is a little bit deeper understanding of emergency response, crisis management, and health and safety. That's all tied together into a single point. This is not an issue that's specific to this region. It's a global issue that we are working still in the United States as well as in Europe. So the hope is that we can start a little bit at a time here in the Gulf region and try and get some conversation and some proactive measures taken after this conference.
Although the Gulf region is extremely rich in oil and gas resources, this comes at a very dangerous and costly price due to the hazards of leaks, potential fires or explosions. Therefore, summits such as this are extremely important as they give companies the opportunity to share in their crisis and risk management systems and to improve the level of swift recovery and response. From the Al-Manshar Rotana Hotel in Fahil, this is Sarah Globe reporting for English News.